Welcome to SSL Certificates for Web Developers. My name is Kevin Skoglund, and I'm excited to teach you about SSL certificates and HTTPS. In this course, we will learn what SSL certificates are, how public key cryptography works, and why it's urgent for all web developers to start using HTTPS on their websites. We'll learn how to choose the right SSL certificate by learning about different types of certificate authorities, the different domain scopes, and the different validation types. We will learn to install a free SSL certificate from Let's Encrypt using the EFF's certbot client. We will learn to purchase and install a paid certificate from a certificate authority. We will learn how to configure a web server to require HTTPS by redirecting any insecure requests and by telling browsers to only contact the website using HTTPS. And finally, we will learn to manage certificates and renew them when they expire. In this movie, I want to talk about the things that you need before taking this course. There aren't very many prerequisites, but there are a couple. The first is that you need to already have a working website. It doesn't matter how complex the website is or what features it has. All that matters is that you have a website that's built and is on the internet and publicly available. You won't be able to take this course if you're still just thinking about the website that you're going to create in the future. The second thing is you need to have a registered domain name for that website. Just having a public IP address that you can access it with is not enough. You must actually go out and register a domain name and have that domain name point to the website. That's going to be a precondition of registering for an SSL certificate. The next thing is that you need to be somewhat comfortable working with the command line. Most developers have some familiarity with it, so it's not that big of a deal. A lot of web admin experience is not necessary. But the more experience you have, then the easier it will be to troubleshoot if things go wrong. Or, if you're not comfortable with the command line, you have another choice, which is you need to have a hosting provider who can help you out. Most hosting providers have the ability to perform these steps and set things up for you if you're not comfortable doing it yourself. That's it. Those are the prerequisites. It doesn't matter how much web development experience you have. It doesn't matter what programming languages you know or what web framework you're using. This won't touch those areas. You're going to be running commands on the server and configuring the web server software. Once you have everything, let's get started learning SSL certificates for web developers.